Guanhui's new factory building has completed the erection of the ground columns, intercolumn supports and bollards in the last few days, so let's take a look at the rest of the structure this time. Workers are installing purlins, and the wall panels will be installed directly on the purlins. Part of the ground has not yet been paved, and workers are finishing the work. The factory's exterior walls and roof are made of high-standard fireproof and heat-resistant materials. Fire protection systems must be installed in strict accordance with the standards. This fire protection system will respond quickly in the event of a fire, protecting plant property and personnel. At present, in addition to doors and windows, the overall structure of the factory has been completed. The newly purchased machines have also arrived at the factory. Soon, the factory will be formally put into production. Want to know the follow-up? Please continue to pay attention to us.